They need more Russian skewers. Go talk to Judy. Watch that, Judy. Shit, no, I didn't. What cups you need? I'll find something. No. Oh, I never tried this. Yeah. He's getting some cups right now. That's a honey. Like honey, like smoke. Oh, okay.
Yes, turn my flash on. Nice.
Okay. Yeah, all right. Oh, really?
Yeah.
So it's 50-50.
Awesome.
Okay. All right, so it's a liqueur. Yeah, it's good. Okay. Good. Good to hear. Thank you for bringing it.
Wish I could turn the light down a
So
little.
he's getting some glasses now. Oh, yeah. It's really good. That's good. Yeah. Is it new? Is it? Oh, really?
Hey Eric, the flash works on Ustream. Unfortunately, I can't control the intensity of it. This is like the brightest setting. But hey, it's good. It's better than nothing for when the fireworks come off, so it won't be like all dark.
Well, you can't use your flash for fireworks, man.
Why? I'm not gonna use them on the fireworks. I think we misunderstood each other. I didn't mean I'm using the flash work on the fireworks. No, whatever, close enough.
I'm a duplicate.
Alright, can you turn this light on?
Yeah.
Can you do that, please? All right, don't go through the garage barefoot, man. Just tell me how to do it.
There's a switch that has a cover over it. Hit the switch on that switch.
I don't know what he means. Like, don't use the light on the fireworks. I don't understand that. Maybe it means don't point him.
When you're taking a picture of fireworks, you generally don't.
You pull yourself up.
No, but I'm not taking a picture, am I?
I can see that.
I will just turn it on and off if you need to.
Ah, you pulled yourself up. That's a great idea. Yeah. My uncle had thought of that when they were climbing trees. My uncles were monkeys in the trees.
I need to buy a spare battery for this.
Yeah, this is what the email I got was.
I know I gotta get rid of that title.
The term
I don't even know.
What's it even for?
I don't even think it's real binary code. It's just me typing shit in.
They went up into the trees.
You just totally do binary code though.
I've done it before. It's overdone. Are those your neighbors over there?
Oh my god.
Oh, those are the fireworks. You guys are doing a joint effort.
Those over there on the next driveway are ours.
I figured. So you guys are working together. Nice.
Alright. Hey. That's it. You're gonna give that to Mommy, right?
I can smell the s'mores, but it's too much effort. I'd rather have this footage.
No, you have to help me.
Too bad you didn't have a camera on yours.
I don't. Well, I'm planning on getting one.
Your JTV app is actually stable for your platform.
Granted, it's pirate. Wait, no, it's not pirated.
It's not pirated. It's free.
It was free.
They're charging for it now?
Yep, $1.99.
Yeah, fuck them. Yeah, but they're not gonna block you just because you downloaded a pirated version. Where's the recyclables?
What?
Where's recyclables?
There should be. Just leave it here. I'll take care of it later.
Hope you don't get yelled at.
I won't.
Phantom Fireworks, that's where you guys go?
We
We used to go there.
We used to go to Atlas, now we go to Phantom.
Never go to Alamo. They're assholes.
I've never even heard of Alamo Fireworks.
It's right near the old Benjamin Franklin store that's now a fireworks store. It's over by the doctor's office that's near the Lukoil or whatever in Londonderry. It's just, if you see it, you'll know. They're just really bad business. They were nice to me. It's like, oh, you 21? It's like, hello, I'm going in with my family. My family's in purchasing fireworks. I'm like, hello, my family's purchasing fireworks. And they had like annoying patriotic music out in the front.
Yeah, I was reading the legal age for fireworks in Texas. 12.
That's great. Man, I do not want to be in. You couldn't pay me to be in the emergency room today. Chances are somebody's gonna die, like every night. But they always, like 4th of July, people always die with fireworks because they're dummies. It's a shame.
Darwin Award.
It's a shame, but it happens, you know.
Wait, wrong app.
Oh, there's a homebrew firmware that I heard of. I don't know if you heard of it, but I read about it, I think. And it's meant for old iPods, and it gives you the new features on an old iPod. Like multitasking and stuff. It's a lightweight operating system.
Right now I'm using Backgrounder. I can do backgrounding absolutely.
Yeah, but Backgrounder is really glitchy. You know that. If you replace the OS entirely with a lightweight OS, then you're going to be a lot better off. I'm going to look into it. You think we should look into it? I still think it's cool I found an app that lets me use this as a MIDI controller. Can your iPod do that?
There's an app for everything, Gold.
Yes, but if it's not on the platform, then you're screwed.
296 check-ins.
You have 296?
Recent check-ins to fireworks.
Oh, that's 206, by the way. Wish it has a volume control for this stream. I gotta learn not to look through my camera. It looks a lot better in real life. Holy damn!
I don't think it was supposed to blow up like that.
No one was near them, I hope. Blah. Smoke. Well, it's like a pinwheel, except made of fire. Camera doesn't get it good. Oh man, that's like a smoke generator. Holy. Ugh. That's really cool. I've never seen one like that. It looks like it's like a rock concert.
Yeah, that's cool. Hey, Pop.
Whoa! Nice. Who's running the show over there?
Look, you can see the laser pointer. Evan.
Where?
Look. It's going straight out.
Whoa!
I don't see it. I almost feel like something's... yeah, it is. I'm getting some of the firework on me.
Well, we need more smoke for it to happen.
What?
We need more smoke for it to work.
No, you're okay. You're still not, Mom.
Was she roasting I think she was roasting a s'more on that little candle.
Where's the dogs?
Jeez, I don't know if that's good.
The dogs are in the house.
Yeah, I know
I don't know if that's good.
See, now you can see it.
I actually have to put this diagonal to get like the whole firework in the shot. I'm so close.
Evan, look. You can see the beam.
It's I don't know why I can't see anything.
What is wrong with you tonight? Your eyes must be fucked up.
No, I have clear vision, man. I just have trouble pinpointing things sometimes. Unless you like point them straight out.
Okay, look, it's going straight out.
Hang on, maybe
Right
if
here.
I put the light on, maybe it'll help.
Right here, Evan.
Can I see it now?
Okay, this is what it is.
Okay.
Now let go. And you, or,
Why don't you just do it through this?
see?
Do it through this. Does that work?
No.
No. These are out-of-state fireworks, aren't they?
Now they're in state.
Really?
Phantom.
They're expensive. Oh, I forgot I forgot my flashlight was on. That's why it was like too bright. I can't even look up because I'm afraid it's going to get in my eyes.
Okay, now you can see it coming out.
How about just like set the trees on fire, man?
Evan, you can see it coming out of the... Look.
I guess. Maybe I just can't see that color range. I don't know.
Hey, give it a break for me. Let the smoke blow out. No, they're okay. They're gonna time it out. They said. Okay. They said they got it done. Cheers.
Well, that cleared away.
I'm dead. I'm empty, man. Come on. Come on.
No, I don't need
Those
it.
songs we did in a heartbeat. What?
Display.
Competition.
Well, they suck, so they got nothing on us. What's Jen?
Go shot. Okay.
That's a fat small right. Yeah.
Holy! Like I said, your family's crazy.
Yo, I gotta clean this up a little more.
Those are your windows, Christine.
Uh-oh. Christine's on the other side.
Okay, alright. I'm gonna duck, alright? I'm just gonna be over. I'm fucking ducking, man. That's crazy.
Go high enough.
That's like almost straight up in a lot of cases.
Yeah, you gotta watch it.
Oh.
Look.
I see
You can
it.
see the beam now.
Oh, now I can see it. What the hell? It looks like it's solid.
That's what...
Dude, it looks like it's freaking solid. The camera won't pick it up, but it...
It's smoke. That's
Oh my god.
It's lighting up the...
That is crazy.
Wow.
Oh,
Too close.
way too close.
That's bad.
Get the hose right there.
Go see if your son's okay. That's what you do. They're all right.
I have my hose.
What's the idea?
Give it a couple more, somebody will lose a hand.
My car over there?
Yeah. I agree. Good thing we're over here.
Man, well, it's gonna be like a reenactment of what happened down in Florida. There's gonna be like trees on fire and everything.
Can you see the beam now hitting the trees?
Like, I have the right to be afraid. I've been in front of like a fire that's got started by fireworks. It's not fun.
On the eyes.
This one might be a bit more obvious.
No, it's okay, man. Yeah, that's easy to see, but that's just like this. Like, you can see this too.
Well, like she said. No, I'm kidding. Just kidding. Oh, he still qualifies. Legally.
Ow! What did I step on?
Oh, really? Wow. Mine. In the lake.
Oh, the ice. Yeah.
We have to clean it up.
Yeah. Hold up, guys. That's awesome.
But when she did it, we were like,
That was too much.
That's great.
we were like,
They can make too much danger.
That's great.
Good thing I parked my car far away now.
You're very smart.
yeah, we're ready. I'm like, okay.
Like my car's like right behind that one that has the lights on.
Yeah, absolutely. You can save up for it.
That's not my car.
Everyone tells me stop making all these bad fireworks.
We haven't had this kind of fireworks problem these past few years either. It's never been like this.
Well, some of them aren't very good.
What are they doing?
What, me?
No, what are they doing down there?
Damage assessing, I'm assuming. Oh, Mom's moving a truck out of the way.
You know what? Maybe I should too.
You go.
Yeah, I think I have to let people know though. I don't want to get blown to bits trying to get to it.
Go.
All right. Actually, for once, it might help to. Where would I move it though?
Move it over there.
Yeah.
Over there?
Yes.
All right.
Do we have any punks here? Yeah. Do you think it'll?
Yeah, I'm gonna move my car. Don't blow me up. I'm gonna, yeah. No, don't light them off yet. You guys can wait a second. I think I have a flashlight. Alright. I'm moving this thing. Are you kidding me? Who put my window down? My window was not down. That's weird. Okay. Okay. So I don't get into a crash. Keys are stuck. Give me a minute. Got it. I don't know how the window. Oh, it's in park. It just does that. I don't know how the window got down though. Wasn't the window up when I got out of the car earlier? You know what? I'm gonna just. No, I'm good. I'm off the road, right? As much as I can be. Hang on. No, that's not the issue. What it is I need to get the window up. Be careful. I don't want to run you over. Go over there. I'm just putting it in accessory mode. Is the driveway being blocked?
A little. But you still have some room behind you.
Okay. But I think there's somebody behind me.
What?
I think somebody's behind me. I think it's good, dude. Seriously. Hey! Go! Back up! Of course, of all days! I'm moving up a little bit, and then I'm done, Eric. And get away from the damn car. How's that? I'm afraid I'm going to run somebody over. Okay. Thank you. Alright, we're good. We're good. We're good. Don't go near that car again like that. I almost freaking ran you over. It's as good as it's gonna get.
Yeah.
Fire, I'm jumping in a car. Yeah, you guys are gonna have a fire. I called it. I mean, it's an amazing fireworks show, but... Oh wow, I didn't even know there was this clearing. Threshold of pain. Ah. Really loud. You guys must have spent hundreds of dollars.
200.
Did you pool money or something?
200, buy one get one free, so $400 of fireworks.
Oh, and who paid for them?
Andrew did.
Andrew did?
Yeah.
Well, why did Andrew?
You see me trying to go from the road? I was like, I don't think so.
I'm like, Evan, let's go around the back row. Oh yeah, meet Evan. That's fine.
Oh, yeah, I had a graduation last year. Yeah. When it was like burning hot outside.
That looks cool.
But was there somebody standing behind my car before when I was over there for a minute? Because I looked in my rearview mirror and I saw.
That was me.
These are
That was you?
amazing.
Yeah, that was me.
You better you gotta walk.
Dude,
So you did it twice. You almost got hit twice. I can't see shit. You're gonna have to. I didn't even have a seatbelt on me, alright? So I don't know if it's against the law or not. I don't want to get in trouble. I've had too many close calls today. Or last week. I still wish I was.
Boy. It's not.
Hey guys. We're not done yet either.
I agree. I started walking down on the road.
For once I agree with your mother on the worry over the fireworks. I don't mean to sound like I'm complaining all the time. Whoa! What the hell?
Where's the else go? I don't know.
Oh, those are cool.
Watch your eyes, that's all.
It's because of the rain.
What was that?
Good thing I have this. Good thing I have glasses.
Bicycle.
No, I think it's...
Wait, you okay? Yeah, this is a bicycle that tripped over. Do you want me to bring it inside?
Watch out, here comes somebody.
Incoming.
Oh my god.
We're fucking crazy.
I can't even see it. Like, I wish it was lit up still.
I think next year we have to rent field.
We could use the leach field. Or a lake.
Yeah.
We have the leach field in the
I
back.
mean, this is just crazy.
Yeah, but you have to go to the friggin' woods at night.
No, there's I told you there's an access road.
Oh yeah.
It's not really used that often though. Aunt Joanne, we have the leach field right behind us.
Oh.
We could use that.
Did he go to get drinks? We have drinks. We can... That's fine, they can have our drinks. We have drinks. I was going to say that. You gonna have me?
Yes, sir!
Meet our next door neighbors.
Well, whatever they're saying, I hope they're friendly because if something happens, I'm running that way.
They're friendly.
Excellent.
I mean, you really got nowhere else to go.
Oh, there's a new neighbor. Come here. Wait. Help up. Wait. Come on. Really? Hey. No, it goes up. It's not his fault. It goes up there. Yeah, I know. She's going to drop the bottle. No. Remain calm. All is well.
Even with a flashlight, it won't render them well.
Oh, they're setting up the next volley.
Right here.
Yeah, he is intoxicated.
He is most of the time.
Really? Where does he live in? Not your house? That's what? I'm tiny to two.
Good man.
Not the white house. Oh, okay.
Okay.
I hope you guys don't have too much more.
Was that planned like that?
I don't think so.
Oh, I was waiting for the sound.
Oh,
Okay. I'm going over here. Oh.
I think my brother bought all big.
I think the renting of my driveway just ended.
Hey, there's a lot of stuff on there.
What are you doing out there?
I'm not expecting there to be clear.
How much is what?
I'll try.
Well, it's been about a half hour.
What's that?
I don't need seafood. If it comes on the water, I don't need
But if it comes on the water, I love it.
No, she loves it.
I didn't see any.
No, she go. Okay, we'll take her with us.
Aubrey, what the hell did they get?
Not
Fireworks.
all of them are from my company. I can't.
She'll eat anything out of
Except
it.
for some of them are really loaded with them.
Yeah, they shouldn't be.
Yeah, those are really dangerous. Yeah.
She loves doing it.
That is poor quality assembly.
Yeah.
Makes good for YouTube videos, though. Yeah,
Oh,
so first you don't eat one of the sparks.
Yo!
Come here now.
What?
I wish this was HD.
I'm coming.
Wouldn't stream well though if it was HD.
What?
Make sure they're on that side.
I've never had shark.
Don't do the one
I hope they're not joking when they say run away. I mean, I hope they're joking.
Although that isn't that I have.
Not
I
funny.
think it's half serious.
Not funny.
I just keep avoiding it.
I don't feel like finding out what
I love salmon.
What are you talking about?
How come there's so many people sitting on the steps?
Because we don't want to get hit by the fireworks.
They're busted.
Because all the
I am not a human wall to prevent the fireworks.
You know what? The host didn't do anything. Was already over here. I don't know.
I don't really want to argue. I just want to find out if it's almost done.
I can't predict that. I don't know what's going to happen. Wait.
I wonder.
Nothing went in the garage.
So, Paul, you go to richardsolo.com, order this thing, and then you go to the code
Well,
fireworks.
there's a big difference in where you get it.
It can charge an iPhone about 1.5 times.
I think they need stuff with fireworks now.
It's nothing's in the garage. Nothing went in the garage. Some shit went in the woods by you. I'm gonna say that.
Do you remember when everyone was yelling about the fireworks? Your husband.
Did they say they're almost done?
What? No, I don't think they're done yet.
I was like, he said, that's Wayne's brother. I was like, they must have blown him off all at once.
Oh my god, look at the road.
I don't think so.
I wonder if the flashlight will reach that far. Nope, it's not going to reach, even with that brightness. It's too bright. but it's not bright enough when I need it.
You know what? Those fireworks aren't
All I'm requesting for the video is, after it's done, go over there and take a look at the debris pile.
Yeah, no, I will. I'm actually Ustreaming this, so I'm not recording it to YouTube, because then I don't have enough room on my memory stick.
I think that's it. They're classic.
You know what?
What?
I like completely.
Hey, Evan, look. Debris.
But I didn't like
Yeah.
those directly.
Yeah.
I didn't like that one that went all the way across there.
Yeah.
But I think all the ones that won going.
Next round.
Oh,
I thought they were done.
yeah, because they're like blowing them all off at once. I would have thought they ran out.
Yeah, that car honked because it didn't almost get hit. The one car, man. I bet the people was sitting there for that one car. Whoa!
It's not a legal day. I know the words, I won. There's no order.
Look over there, you can see them. They're lighting up the fireworks. Hey guys, look over there. They're lighting fireworks.
You have an email that says that? Yes! No, it doesn't matter. Oh, yes, yeah, my phone's inside. The vote that was done
You know what,
in
Mom?
the early 80s.
Those lights there, they're not clearing up. They're ashes. But we're getting their eyes and everything are ashes.
New Hampshire says
No, it's like on my arm right now.
individual.
Is that a fire truck?
Londonderry. You can buy them, you can vote.
Everybody runs away.
I hear a fire truck.
That's done? Yeah, what else? Is that everything?
Hey, we ready?
I think we make us.
People in that car called me. Yeah.
All right, guys. Good job. Now we clean this fucking mess up tomorrow. Good work, guys. Brian, good job, man.
They called the cops. The cops are going to find those guys.
Where's Andrew? Andrew!
Should we take the street? Rick! Alright, everybody run!
No, I'm not gonna run. First one?
Oh, they're going down the road.
Of course they're going to the Grove. Hey, man. They always go to the Grove. Someone's sucking on someone's ass and wait.
All they're doing is potting down.
We got our back. We got your back.
But they kill the sound before they get so far.
Good job, man. They all do.
Oh no, he's not killing it. He's going down close front.
Here comes my ride. I gotta go. I will not.
That's 3 spots.
Where is? There he is. Hey, man, great show. Not us!
Maybe they showed up.
It was not us. happening over there right now.
Oh my God.
The next car you're going to see by is the SUV.
They were really good.
Yep.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. They're one of the good show. Guys, thank you so much.
Hey, Andrew.
Yeah, I'm fine. I'm just close enough. I got a flashlight. I should be good.
You know, the guys on the street started a little bit.
Look over here.
I'm not going that close. No way. Yeah, I'm doing it for some reason. I wouldn't just blindly walk out, dude. Especially not without a flashlight. How many packages are there? Oh, now you bring out the sparklers.
Yeah.
You guys do everything backwards.
No, we don't.
Sparklers are supposed to be beforehand. Oh my. I gotta be careful not to wander too far because I'm on Wi-Fi right now recording this.
Don't take that in the garage. No.
Yeah, actually it wouldn't be a good idea.
I know.
Although.
I was holding it outside the garage.
Okay.
I was trying to turn on the lights for your garage.
No, that's over there.
What the hell is all that crap?
Huh.
All the boxes from the carnage.
Wow, it got in here, huh?
No, all these boxes were what the stuff was in.
It's weird how they have like a little loft up there.
Yes.
It's more like a barn than a garage. The light really doesn't do much for long range.
He's turning on the light. She's turning.
This doesn't do anything for long range, honestly.
Wow.
Holy. No, don't do that. Freaking ignite something that hasn't exploded. You realize that if there's one that didn't go off and you have a sparkler near it, you're gonna set it off.
Michael's a dumbass anyway.
I know. That's why I'm not going over there. It's like, hello, you know, you got like how many shots there? And one of them's bound to have been a dud.
And by the way, my brother did go to Alamo.
That place sucks. Fuck them.
I've been covered. I thought my house was melting.
Was it?
Every time I turned around and stuff was flying at the house.
Don't fuck with Christine's house anymore.
Yo, Andrew, this one didn't go off completely.
Listen, wait, was that the double one?
Yeah, that one's the one that got hit. Yeah, that one got hit in the side. Another one.
All right, let's take it up. Let's take it up. In the daylight, not tonight. In the daylight tomorrow, we will destroy this thing.
I'll check your house, Christine, for you.
What?
Ow. That's strong. I was just trying to point the camera at myself. As long as I don't look directly at it. That was really stupid. One of these years, dude, this house is going to be on fire.
Well, I hope you guys
or somebody's going to lose a hand or something.
I don't know.
Christine, I just checked your house and you're good.
It's not fireworks, though. Where's the end?
Hey, guys, when your nails go? These nails go.
But, man, hopefully your Wi-Fi is,
Yeah, it reaches over here. It's weak, but it reaches.
Well, if it's N, then I'm good, but if I picked up... It's 610... Wait, why am I going through...
Let's go light it up. Yeah, let's put it down.
No,
You really should be all done.
No, we just like this one.
Eric!
What?
Is 610 G or N?
Wait.
N.
Oh, good. Then I should be okay. Assuming this does N.
Hey, now let me do it.
If I'm connected to the N, then I'm good.
There's one left, Evan.
What do you mean?
One tube left.
You guys are...
Run!
Oh, great, there's still one.
Thanks.
Not run,
Potato, potato.
They have one left.
Speak up! Another cop, we gotta know where we are!
I have to get ahead.
You don't want to get kicked off.
Yeah. I just like realized that now. I was only over there for like 5 seconds, so I was like, I had to get back over. Fuck you, stream. They're assholes. At least they have a sturdy site.
Apparently there's some stuff left over that they're blowing off now.
This makes a good flashlight, if nothing else, even if the camera doesn't use it well.
I love stargazing.
Look at this shit. I can see everything, even if the camera can't.
Yeah, did I mention we have a garden?
What?
We have a garden.
Oh, really? What are you growing? Fireworks?
Now we're growing fruit. Well,
Yeah. Whoa, what the heck?